Morning guys! Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Today, Vin and Sullivan have actually gone to Ipoh with my mother-in-law to settle some errands. So Jessica and I are here. We're at home. I woke up a bit earlier today, finished all my content work, and now it's 12. So we're heading out for breakfast. It's gonna be super fun. We're gonna go makan, just chill, and then come back. And the main theme of this whole vlog is we are going to deep clean my house because it is in a complete mess, like a literal mess. When I say mess, trust me when I say mess. I'll show you guys later when I come back. We gotta fold clothes, we gotta deep clean, basically put everything together. And yeah, so I'm excited for a full day of deep cleaning. I somehow rather like to clean when Ivan is not around, especially because he'll be moving here and there, so it'll be easier to clean. Yeah, okay, so now let's open up Vlogmas Day 11, our advent calendar. Oh, we have another mini. It's so many minis, it's really worth it. Okay, so we've got this here. Okay, so this is the one right here, super cute. I like how many minis that we have gotten in the whole range. That's been really good. It's really worth it to get proper products and not just keychains, the Chanel advent calendar thing. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, so yeah, so let's get our things and let's go and makan and yeah, jump. Back home, very nice breakfast, really enjoyed myself. Now it's time to deep clean the entire house. I'll show you everything. It has been a bit messy because I've just been busy with work, but that's fine, it's normal. So yeah, this is what the haul currently looks like. There's just a bunch of stuff there. I need to fold all the clothes. I just want to put everything in order, vacuum the sofa, and this is what the kitchen looks like. It's really messy, but it's okay, we will organize everything. Also, we got this bench. I want to find a place to put it near the door, just primarily to sit down and use your shoes, like a bench thing. So, and then the kitchen, and then the new, you can see the new air fryer, and then we need to just tidy up, basically tidy up, clean and deep clean the entire house so that it looks flawless, and that is today's aim. So let's do this. My deep cleaning day is finally done, you guys. I think it's 12:30 a.m. but super worth it. Let me show you just one final touch. My trusty spray. And now, time for the chore that I hate the most. Folding clothes. I love buying clothes, but I hate folding clothes. So this is not the only pile, guys. I have another pile in the room, so let's get kicking. Okay guys, I think it's about 2:15 a.m. I finished all my work. Everything is put away. I'm so proud of myself. It's been a very long day. But you know, days are like, no, what I'll do is I'll talk to you after I bathe. So let me go and bathe first. I got a new set of pajamas to put on. I got a black one today. So let me go bathe, change, and we'll do skincare and chit chat. So yeah. Fresh and clean, you guys. So for my skin today, what's been happening is I actually recently had some sort of allergy, like on this side of the face. I had like, I don't know, like dots. I don't know why. I don't know if it was a new skincare that I tried or was it something that I ate. I'm not too sure. So I'm just pausing all other skincare. I'm just going to do my Vintage Wellness one because it is natural. And like potato extract has like a calming effect. So I'm just going to do the Vintage Wellness Moisturizer. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love cleaning. Like I'm obsessed with cleaning. Sometimes I don't have the time. I like how things feel after you have given like the place a full clean. Like the whole area and the space that you're in transforms when you like deep clean and stuff. So I learned about deep clean only via watching other YouTubers. So there's a different method of like cleaning versus deep cleaning. So regular cleaning you do maybe every other day, and then you have one particular day that you set aside for purely deep cleaning. And today was that day. I'm using my Vintage Wellness eye cream. This is the only eye cream that has worked for me ever, not even kidding you. I've tried so many eye creams. I've got so many eye creams here. This is the first one that I can actually see changes in my dark circles, hyperpigmentation, and all that stuff. Anyways, yes, so I love how like cleaning sets me in a very good mind, but the office is still in a like in a zone, so we have to get to that. So yeah, I personally love cleaning days. I'm using the Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla. I've been doing a lot of vanilla scents lately because it is Christmas season and I like that whole vanilla scent thingy, you know. So that's all I'm doing to my face today, guys, because I just want it's actually affected this entire side, but it's gone down quite a bit. I basically had like tiny bumps just like this corner running up to here. I'm really not too sure why. I'm still trying to figure things out. So yeah, it's been really good. I hope you guys enjoyed like the whole deep cleaning thing. It's gonna be a busy weekend ahead, and I've got some exciting things coming. We've got another mini Shein haul coming, because I know a lot of you like Shein haul, and I think that will be the last Shein haul for the year. A very mini one. I think there's only about 5-6 pieces inside, and a lot of them are pajamas, because I don't know, I've recently, like, I always wanted to wear pajamas, actually, like really nice cute pajamas, but you know, plus size, you can never find matching sets, and that is a fact, you guys. And Shein has given me like the opportunity to be normal, like every other girl. Now I can actually pick out like a pajama outfit. I can actually go to bed the way I want to go to bed, if that makes sense. I don't know if this makes sense at all. I'm just rambling at this point, because you know, growing up I always wanted to wear like satin pajamas and stuff, but you can never find sizes for plus size people, or the buttons here will be too tight that it will be opening and then you cannot sleep, you know, you turn here and turn there. So yes, so I bought a couple other more pajamas that are coming, and I'm really excited for that. So yeah, I cannot believe it's already day 11 of Vlogmas. We're almost halfway there. A couple of you have been saying you don't know what you want to do after Vlogmas ends, and that makes me so sad, because with vlogging, I actually, because I am still trying to juggle, not still, I am juggling like all my 3 platforms, TikTok, Instagram and Vlogmas, and I'm trying to do my best everywhere. But every time I vlog, and then when I edit, and then when I upload, I always forget how much I actually love vlogging, you know. So to the bunch of you that regularly watch this, to my friends and all my followers, like, thank you so much. Like, it really means the world to me. Like, it's like a friend that I talk to every day. Like, that's amazing. Not everybody will have like friends like you and I share. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna head to bed. I'm gonna watch some YouTube. Oh, I can feel it here. I can feel, oh, but I can actually feel it drying down. So you know, when pimples dry down, you want to pick on it, but no, we're not picking on it. Also, so yeah, so also I need to go and fix my nails soon. Oh, I need to do my pedicure as well. So all of those are in the coming week. And yes, let's see what this weekend has. Tomorrow Shah is getting married, which is super excited. It's finally happening after so many months of waiting for it. So we'll get ready, we'll go watch her get married, and then we have a very fun event happening on Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday is going to be epic. I'll tell you guys more soon. So thank you guys for watching until here. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Thank you for coming along. Thank you for not making me feel lonely. A lot of you say that when you watch my vlogs you don't feel lonely, and I have to say this back to you, like, thank you for watching along. I don't feel lonely anymore. That's what I wanted to say. Like, I don't know, I may go on a full rant here. In a weird way, I may not be able to see you, but you guys have sort of become like a family to me. So I just want to say thank you, and I love every single one of you. And yes, so excited for Vlogmas. I also know, I'm thinking, like, what am I going to do after Vlogmas ends? I will feel like, oh my goodness, I have so much of free time. Just kidding, guys. Okay, so let's go head to sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 12. Bye, guys.